This pretrial conference was Routh's last chance to settle any issues before his trial starts next Monday. This highly anticipated case comes with even more caveats, as there was some contention over new letters, new evidence, and even Routh's clothes. Ryan Routh walked into the courtroom Tuesday in a jumpsuit and handcuffs for the final time before his trial for the attempted assassination of then presidential candidate Donald Trump. The case has been anything but normal, as Routh elected to represent himself against the recommendation of Judge Aileen Cannon. After an overview of the last hearing, one of these issues prosecutors addressed was clothing. Justice Department prosecutor John Shipley says his team uncovered communication between Routh and Routh's daughter about slogans on the clothes Routh will be wearing during proceedings. This was strictly barred by Judge Cannon in an earlier hearing. Routh simply responded, "That's incorrect. After you stated that we would not do that, I did not promote the situation." He didn't deny the slogan's existence, and Judge Cannon instructed that his clothes followed the previous instructions. In the second half of today's hearing, the prosecution argued that Routh's preliminary witness list now included over 10 new witnesses that weren't previously approved. These people included professors at Harvard, the president, and pro-Palestinian protesters. Judge Cannon quickly denied the addition of these witnesses, but not before an exchange where her and Routh were talking over each other, as he attempted to justify these witnesses, saying they would speak well to his character. Routh filed a motion to suppress the prosecution's latest evidence, which was denied. He filed another motion to introduce additional letters written by himself into evidence. That motion was also denied, since they are considered hearsay. Through the course of this hearing, Routh rarely used any legal reasoning and deferred to more conversational discussion with the judge. The trial should last about 3 to 4 weeks, a deadline the prosecution says should be easily met. However, multiple rulings during this hearing were pushed for next week, potentially slowing down the jury selection process. Opening statements are set to take place September 11th. Reporting in Fort Pierce, I'm Jack Wu.